Hey, Dennis Taylor here at Black Optional Services. Just wanted to go over some information with you with a magazine article that's written about us recently and Exhibit magazine means. So I'm going to share it with you guys and give you a little backstory on what the magazine is about and what we are in the magazine as far as Exhibit magazine. So basically it's a magazine that pertains to the trade show industry. Specifically is based here in Vegas, the actual magazine company, but it's anything to do with trade shows, conventions, is in there, anybody in our industry. So that's what that's about. I'm gonna take a moment to show you guys the magazine and article and go over some more things about it with you. So here's the front page, front of the Exhibitor City News. And like I said, this is one of the leading industry magazines for trade shows and conventions nationwide, actually worldwide. And they wrote a little something about Black Optional Services, us here in the magazine. And I'll flip through this here to show it to you. And you can see what I mean. One second here. Oh, there we go. So this is the article, and I'll explain a little bit why and what this is all about. So basically, in this article, it pertains to what our company, Black Optional Services, is in this industry, what we do, and basically my plight as being one of the few, if any, Black owned and operated I&E companies in America. And this article is expressing that we are basically a unicorn in the industry, and that I want to make space for people to look like me in the industry. So here, the article goes in detail about what my son and I did as far as why we made the company and became who we are in the industry. So this goes in detail about our company, about what we do in the trade show industry. And it made me very proud to see it because we've been working hard, my son and I, to make Black Optional Services a force to be reckoned with in the trade show convention industry. So that's what it's all about. So yeah, I'd like for you guys to please like, share, subscribe to Black Optional Services Trade Show Chronicles on the YouTube channel. We would appreciate that. Support what we do. Thank you very much. Black Ops out.